Squirrels, Agile Arboreal Acrobats. In addition to being charismatic rodents, squirrels are members of the family Sciuridae and can be found in a wide variety of ecosystems all over the world. Squirrels, which are well known for their nimble maneuverability, bushy tails, and active behaviors, have adapted to a wide variety of habitats, ranging from urban parks to dense forests. In the course of this scientific investigation, we will investigate the physiology, behavior, dietary habits, reproduction, ecological roles, conservation status, and cultural significance of squirrels. In order to maintain their arboreal lifestyle, squirrels have developed a number of physiological characteristics and adaptations that are unique to them. Among the most important aspects of squirrel physiology are: 1. Dental adjustments are as follows. Squirrels have incisors that are sharp and very similar to chisels, and they continue to grow throughout their entire lives. The ability to chew through tough materials such as nuts and seeds is essential for the maintenance of their teeth's health, and this adaptation is essential for that. 2. Agile limbs. Squirrels have strong hind limbs, equipped with powerful muscles, allowing them to leap, climb, and navigate with exceptional agility. They are able to grasp and manipulate objects thanks to the adaptations of their front limbs. 3. Bushy tails. Number 3. The bushy tail that is so characteristic of squirrels serves a number of functions. In addition to providing insulation during the colder seasons, it performs the function of a communication signal and helps maintain balance while climbing trees. 4. Coloration and camouflage are the fourth point. There are many different shades of gray and brown, as well as red and black, that can be found on squirrel fur. These colors vary depending on the species of squirrel. Because of their coloring, they are able to blend in with their natural environments and avoid being eaten by predators. There are many different species of squirrels that belong to the Sciuridae family, each of which has its own unique set of characteristics and adaptations. Among the most notable examples are: first, the eastern gray squirrel, scientifically known as Sciurus carolinensis. The eastern gray squirrel is a species of squirrel that is commonly found in North America. It is distinguished by its gray fur and its malleable behavior. Urban areas are where it is most frequently seen because it has successfully adapted to the environments that humans inhabit. Second, the red squirrel, also known as Sciurus vulgaris. The red squirrel is a species of squirrel that is indigenous to Eurasia. It is distinguished by its tufted ears and reddish-brown fur. It is a species that lives in trees and is typically found in forests that are composed of conifers. Third, the fox squirrel, also known as Sciurus niger. The fox squirrel, which is native to North America, can be classified into a variety of color categories, ranging from gray to rust-colored. When compared to other species of tree squirrels, it is distinguished by its larger size. Fourth, flying squirrels. Various species flying squirrels, which belong to a number of different genera, have a membrane known as the patagium that extends between their forelimbs and hind limbs. This membrane enables them to glide between trees. It is essential to have an understanding of the diversity among squirrel species in order to completely appreciate the ecological roles and behaviors that they exhibit. The energetic and occasionally acrobatic behaviors of squirrels are well known to the general public. The following are important aspects of squirrel behavior. First, the act of foraging. In general, squirrels are herbivorous, and their diet consists of a variety of foods, including nuts, seeds, fruits, fungi, and even the eggs of birds. It is possible for them to locate and store food for later consumption thanks to their exceptional sense of smell and memory. Secondly, squirrels engage in a behavior known as caching, in which they bury or hide food items in a variety of different locations. The purpose of this behavior is to act as a strategy for storing food for circumstances in which resources may be limited. Thirdly, a wide range of vocalizations, such as chirps, barks, and squeals, are utilized by squirrels in order to communicate with one another. It is also possible for squirrels to communicate with one another through the use of tail movements such as flicking or waving their tail. 4. Territoriality. Individual squirrels will actively defend their home ranges from other squirrels because squirrels are generally considered to be territorial animals. For the purpose of establishing their dominance, they might engage in vocal displays and chases. Squirrels have a wide variety of eating habits, which frequently vary depending on the environment in which they live and the resources that are available to them for food. Typical components of squirrel diets include the following. Firstly, the consumption of nuts and seeds. A great number of squirrel species are well known for their sharp incisors, which allow them to crack open nuts and seeds using their teeth. In addition to their contribution to the regeneration of forests, they play a significant role in the dispersal of seeds. Secondly, the consumption of fruits. Due to the fact that squirrels consume a wide variety of fruits, they play a role in the dissemination of seeds from a variety of plant species. Within their habitats, this behavior contributes to the preservation of biodiversity. Fungi and vegetation are the third category. Within their diets, certain species of squirrels consume fungi as well as a wide variety of vegetation. Because of their ability to adapt, they are able to flourish in a variety of ecosystems. Fourth behavior denoting a carnivorous diet. Although they are primarily herbivorous, squirrels are capable of engaging in carnivorous behavior on occasion, as evidenced by their consumption of insects, bird eggs, and juvenile vertebrates. The adaptability of squirrels and the ecological roles they play in shaping plant communities are highlighted by the extensive variety of diets that they consume. When it comes to mating, gestation, and raising offspring, squirrels have developed a number of distinct behaviors and adaptations that are associated with reproduction. Among the most important aspects of squirrel reproduction are: first, rituals of the first date. The establishment of mating pairs is accomplished by squirrels through the use of mating rituals, which include vocalizations and chases. It is also possible for males to exhibit complex behaviors in order to attract females. Second, pregnancy and the birthing process. The gestation period for female squirrels is typically only a few weeks long, making it a relatively short period of time. Consequently, they give birth to a litter of altricial young, which means that the offspring are born without hair and are dependent on the care of their parents. Third, nesting refers to wood, twigs, and other materials are used by squirrels to construct their nests, which are referred to as drays. Drays are constructed by tree squirrels in the branches, whereas burrows are constructed by ground squirrels for the purpose of nesting. Fourth, care for parents. Female squirrels are responsible for providing primary care for their young, including nursing them and guarding them against potential predators. In the course of their development, young squirrels acquire fundamental abilities from their mothers, such as the ability to forage and to avoid danger. In a variety of ecosystems, squirrels play important ecological roles, including contributing to the dissemination of seeds, the regeneration of forests, and the cycling of nutrients. Here are some important ecological roles. First, the process of seed dispersal. In the process of seed dispersal, squirrels play a significant role due to the behaviors of foraging and caching that they engage in. They also contribute to the establishment of new plants by burying nuts and seeds, which they then forget about. Second, the process of regenerating forests. In order to contribute to the regrowth of forests, squirrels play a role in the process of seed dispersal. In order to preserve biodiversity and ensure the health of ecosystems, this process is absolutely necessary. Third, prey for predators. What follows a wide variety of predators, such as birds of prey, snakes, and mammals, use squirrels as their prey as a source of food. They play a role in the dynamics of predators and prey as well as the flow of energy within ecosystems. Fourth, impact on plant communities. The behaviors of squirrels associated with foraging can have an effect on the composition of plant communities. This is because squirrels have the ability to shape the distribution of seeds and affect the growth of specific plant species. In order to fully appreciate the significance of squirrels within natural ecosystems, it is essential to have a solid understanding of the ecological roles that they play. Squirrels, in general, are not considered to be in danger on a global scale. However, certain species are in danger on a local level due to the destruction of their habitat, the spread of urbanization, and even climate change. A significant portion of conservation efforts are directed toward the preservation of natural habitats, particularly in urban areas where squirrels are at risk of being killed by domestic pets and being involved in collisions with vehicles. There is a cultural significance too. There is a place for squirrels in human culture and folklore, and they frequently represent characteristics such as resourcefulness, agility, and adaptability by virtue of their presence. As a result of their playful antics and interactions with humans, particularly in urban environments, they have been incorporated into works of literature, works of art, and popular culture. During the course of our investigation into squirrels from a scientific standpoint, we have discussed their physiology, behavior, dietary habits, reproduction, ecological roles, conservation status, and cultural significance. As a result of their adaptability and the wide range of characteristics they possess, squirrels are essential components of ecosystems. They make a contribution to the equilibrium and well-being of natural environments. By gaining an appreciation for the roles that squirrels play in seed dispersal, forest regeneration, and supporting predator-prey dynamics, we are able to gain a deeper comprehension of the complex web of life in which these arboreal acrobats play an essential role. The continued well-being of these charismatic rodents and the ecosystems that they inhabit is a direct result of conservation efforts that protect their habitats and reduce the risks that they face in urban environments. If you've marveled at the acrobatics of squirrels, join us in the journey of understanding, appreciating, and conserving nature's agile arboreal acrobats. Subscribe, like, and share. Together, let's ensure the boundless leaps, playful antics, and ecological contributions of squirrels endure for generations to come. Subscribe now and be part of the squirrel conservation movement.